respected today's chief guest, the Honorable Minister of Government of India, G. Kishan Reddy Garu, Chairman of Delhi Public School and Pallavi Model School and Akshara Vagdevi, Malka Komaraya Garu, respected the Akshara Vagdevi International School Director, Murli Garu, Srihari Garu, respected principal, the great achievements she is doing in the Akshara Vagdevi School for development of all the sections of the field, education, cultural, sports, other activities. Respected all the principals of Delhi Public School, Pallavi Model Schools, Akshara Vagdevi International School staff and students, respected parents. Today I am very happy. Our Honorable Minister, lot of busy schedule. He has visited, he has blessed us all the children of Akshara Vagdevi International School, including of us. Sir, the Akshara Vagdevi International School, the Arjya Siddhanta Educational Society and the College of Group of Colleges started in 1990. The only college. Till today, we are in only one college and one school of Akshara Vagdevi International Schools in 1990 onwards. Our main objective to help the students of surrounding area of Secunderabad cantonment area and Hyderabad city people. The people, most of the people, they'll come from many states, many countries. They will study here in Hyderabad, they'll stay and they'll do their job and their businesses. So I want to help the poor total people. Hyderabad always welcome the people. Always Hyderabad people will feel happy to help the other people of other states and other country people. This is the concept of Hyderabad born people. Today, Kishan Reddy Garu is hard working from the childhood, I know, because I am also in the politics as a student leader. I also contested MLA in 1985. I lost the elections, but my aim is to educate the people. I started the institution in 1990. The politics is different. The politics required to make the good policy making. The policy making is today the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Modi Garu, is doing wonderful job. Our India is throughout the world, the people will recognize India is one of the best country in the world today. Only because of the Modi, he is doing lot of job. How to develop India? What is our culture? Today is our culture. Our culture, everybody knows. When I went to the 1994, I went to the World Conference in Canada. I went to the Embassy of America. He said, "Hey, you want to settle down in America?" I said, proudly, I love my India. I love my India. India, so many castes, so many people, so many languages, so many states, so many people are with different culture like this. Why I leave India? I love India. He said immediately stamped and he has given my visa. That is the culture of India. Today the same culture shown by the principal. I congratulate her. Today all the culture program, all the states program, this is the culture of India. India is so many castes, so many religions, so many cultural activities, so many languages. Even though a time will come, India is one. Like Modi has told, oh, clap, clap, clap. Every Indian, I am being a different party also, I also clap because Prime Minister is our Prime Minister. Politics is different. How we want to develop our country? How we have to save our people? How we have to develop our culture in education system? We are doing, sir, I don't want to take the much time because Honorable Minister, he has given time, lot of busy schedule also during the election time. Now elections are coming. So, I don't want to take much time. I request all the parents, the Akshara Vagdevi International School, not only Akshara Vagdevi International School, in Hyderabad, all languages, this is a mini India. You can learn all the cultural activities like a Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, all sports activities. You have to learn and you have to do best students of this Akshara Vagdevi International School. Through education, the cultural activities, sports activities, everything is needed for the young generation. With the education, with the activities, they will become one of the best citizens of India and they will lead in the world. Today also our students are leading in the world. Wherever go, Indian people are there in America, Canada, Australia, US, everywhere. Why? Because honest, sincere, hardworking, helpful, and very good knowledge to help the society. That's why they are leading in the world. I congratulate all the people of the parents encouraging our students. Also, I congratulate Akshara Vagdevi International School principal, staff and students, drivers and IMS. They are taking lot of care. Sir, till today, 35 years of this institution, no one incident happened with the grace of God's grace. We don't have any incident. I pray same thing will happen in future, sir. With your blessings, definitely we will develop Secunderabad area. You are also MP of our constituency. Your college is my college in your constituency. Definitely, sir. We also try to bless you in a more and more majority in future. Thank you so much. Malka Komraya, I request Honorable Minister, Sri G. Kishan Reddy Garu, వారి సందేశము, వారి యొక్క ఆశీర్వాదము అక్షరా వాగ్దేవి ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ఇవ్వాల్సిందిగా వాళ్ళని ప్రార్థిస్తున్నాను. దయచేసి మీరు ఒకసారి స్టేజ్ మీదకి వచ్చి మీ బ్లెస్సింగ్స్ ఇవ్వాల్సిందిగా ప్రార్థిస్తున్నాను. మాదిరిగా ఏ విధంగా వస్తున్నారో చూడండి కిషన్ రెడ్డి గారు. వాహా, యువ నాయకుడు, యువతరంగా ఏ విధంగా ఆ విద్యారంగాన్ని ముందుకు తీసుకొస్తున్నారు. ధన్యవాదాలు మీకు, మీ కుటుంబానికి. మీరందరూ కూడా ఎప్పుడు అక్షర వాగ్దేవి ఇంటర్నేషనల్ స్కూల్ స్టాఫ్ తరఫున పేరెంట్ తరఫున ఎప్పుడు బాగుండాలని కోరుతూ సెలవు తీసుకుంటాను. జై హింద్.